Will you buy the Nothing phone? The poll results are here. 57% of the people says no, it's not for me. 33 of them say they will, but only if the reviews are good. Almost 10% have already ordered the phone. Someone in the comments says, I had the phone, it's laggy, with inferior chipset. I wanna puke rather than pay a bit more, and I don't have this set. Another one says, I've got mine and I got what I kinda expected. The camera isn't good. The haptic is Apple-like. Let's see the review. The box is made of cardboard, but it's appearing and different. It looks more like CD box than a phone package. Inside the phone you can have a white or black one, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the SIM tool. There is no case, no charger. Nothing sells both of those items as well as screen protector on its website. Mind you, the phone does feature a pre-applied plastic screen protector from the box. Forget the extra help. Keep the price reasonable. The Nothing phone looks like almost phones from the front, but that's more illumination from the current tech of the phone. 6.55-inch OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. I think that the extra light is just waste of the energy. The phone is almost entirely void of curves. The front and rear glasses are both flat, and the matte aluminum sides are also flat. It makes the phone one more than a little bit like an iPhone 13. Although its size puts it in line with slight below with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The two are priced very differently, so they are unlikely to cross paths. I think the specs of the phone is not clear yet. The phone looks okay from the back, but I don't understand why this will make any difference. No, it's not interesting at all. Of course, we will need to wait for the full review. So subscribe to know more when the real specs review of the phone is posted.